Welcome back to Nuts and Bolts. We've got an international MV with a Cummins ISB in the shop today. The customer's got an active check engine light on the cluster. Hooking up our diagnostic tool pulls up multiple after-treatment codes for the outlet NOx sensor, the PM sensor heater circuit, and soot temp sensors. We ran the fault codes through a fault ranker. We start with an after-treatment outlet NOx test, which passes completely. Moved on to the DEF system leak test. When we pressurize the DEF system to 123 psi, we catch our first real issue. The DEF dozer is weeping fluid around the base. Because the DEF dozer was found leaking, we must inspect the decomposition tube for restrictions. We used a borescope to verify that there are no DEF deposits in the decomp tube. The DEF dozer was replaced with a new unit. Further circuit checks verify an internal failure in the PM sensor module. A new particulate matter (PM) sensor was installed, and components were securely mounted back into the exhaust stream. With new parts installed, we performed stationary regeneration to confirm repair, the cycle completed without any issues. Codes no longer active, truck is ready to go. Moving on to next unit.
Another unit in the bay. We've got a 2021 International HV with an A26 engine in the bay today with an active check engine light. Hooking up our service tool pulls up active codes for the DPF differential pressure sensor and outlet pressure sensor, reading out of range voltage signals. Following our diagnostic tree leads us straight to an internal component failure. We grab a brand new factory differential pressure sensor to replace the old unit. We mount the new sensor. We command a forced regeneration to verify system operation under load. The cycle finishes cleanly, all codes move to inactive, and the dash is clear. Subscribe for more.